little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 10, that is transportation and communication. So for moving from one place to another, we need different types of transport. We have land transport, water transport and air transport. Next we will study about communication. When you have to express your thoughts, ideas, beliefs with different people, what you do, you communicate with them. We have two types of communication: personal, when you interact with one people, and mass communication, when you have to interact with lot number of people, right? So let's study with the chapter now. Write the address and pin code of your house on this envelope. इस envelope पे लिखना है आपको. Now let's start with the transportation. So movement of goods. जब हम goods, या तो हम गुड्स की मूवमेंट करते हैं या फिर पीपल्स की मूवमेंट करते हैं, तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? इट्स नोन एज transportation. So the vehicle by which we move are called means of transport. Different means of transport are used on road, water and air. If we talk about roadways and railways, roadways जो लैंड पे चलती है, मतलब फ्लैट सरफेस पे, and railways they are where they move on the railway track, right? Now, in cities, scooters, auto rickshaw, city buses, car runs on the road. In big city, local trains जो होती हैं, वो rails पे run करती हैं round the clock. And what they carry goods only, right? You can see tonga, truck, cycle, auto rickshaw, city bus and passenger train. Waterways, जो water में run करते हैं, like boat and stream, ये goods और people को carry करते हैं rivers में, lakes में, and they load or unload their goods at harbors or port only, right? Airways, fastest means of transport hai. They fly in the sky, right? Like air buses, run on the roads. Jet planes are the fastest planes on airports only. Helicopters are used to reach the places where these planes cannot land. Helicopters are also used to drop food for the people and pick them during flood. जब flood आ जाता है, earthquake आ जाता है, उस टाइम इनका हम यूज करते हैं. एनिमल्स ट्रांसपोर्ट इन हिली एरियाज. अगर हम हिली एरियाज की बात करें तो पोनीज और म्यूज, इनका हम यूज करते हैं टू कैरी गुड्स एंड पीपल. इन डेजर्ट, कैमल आर यूज टू कैरी पीपल एंड पुल कार्ट्स, और हम कार्ट्स पुल करते हैं, राइट? कैमल को और क्या बोला जाता है? शिप ऑफ डेजर्ट. एलिफेंट आर यूज टू मूव लॉग्स एंड पीपल इन थिक फॉरेस्ट. देन वी हैव कम्युनिकेशन, द एक्ट ऑफ शेयरिंग और एक्सचेंजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. मैंने आपको बताया था, जब हम अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं, अपनी फीलिंग्स को, अपने एक्सप्रेशन को दिखा रहे हैं, एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं. सो वी लाइक टू कीप इन टच विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स, बट it is not always possible, so we send and receive message. So me is used for sending message or news to individual, or masses are called means of communication. Individual means of communication क्या होती है? जब आप एक दूसरे से interact कर रहे हो, right? Like you send our message to our relatives, friend and business friends by letter, email or cellular phone, right? So letters same तरीके के होते हैं, पोस्ट कार्ड, इनलाइन लेटर और स्टेम्प्ड एनवेलप. These are the three types of letter you can see over here. We must write the name and the complete address in the clear handwriting. We must write the pin code, like Mr. Vijendra Kumar, 132-142 Dharamshala Street, Indranath Nagar, Meerut, right? After writing a letter, what you will write? Letter then are sent to the, आपने लेटर लिख लिया, उसके आप बाद पोस्ट करोगे, देन लेटर इज सेंड बाय द different places by buses, trains and aeroplanes. We write to our friends and relatives, we get letter from them. It is fun to write and get letters. So the postman, what it's do, it brings us letter. So letter takes 2 or 3 days to reach the address, far off places, and urgent letters can be sent through. आप urgent letters किसके through भेजते हैं? Speed post or by courier service. These service takes less time to reach the city and the message is immediately sent. अगर आप किसी से टेलीफोन पे बात करो तो अपने मैसेज को क्या कर रहे हो? एकदम से भेज रहे हो. Now, fax. You can send a written message in such a photocopied to other places. और एक photocopy क्या होती है? ये few seconds में पहुंच जाती है. Then we have cellular or mobile phone or wireless phone that we uses to talk to the different people. Mass communication, sometimes we need to communicate with large number of people at same time. Communication of a message or news to the masses. जब आप कोई भी information mass, large number of people को share करो, उसको mass communication कहते हैं. Message, news of information can be delivered to many person at same time through a newspaper. और जो news होती है वो लोगों के पास पहुंचती है in all parts of country. Any new broadcast ये आप किसके थ्रू कर रहे हो? रेडियो के थ्रू, न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू, टेलीविजन के थ्रू। वो लोगों को कैसे पहुंचता है? इमीडिएटली, एंड पीपल लिसन टू इट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट टेलीविजन, इट हैज नाउ बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर means of communication and reach. We hear and watch variety of programs of music, dance, drama, business or television. The program are telecast through satellite. हम प्रोग्राम को किसके थ्रू टेलीकास्ट करते हैं? सैटेलाइट के थ्रू. Then internet and email. What is email? That is electronic mail which can be sent to the people in few seconds. So computer and internet have made communication much faster and efficient. If you have a computer, you can log on to the internet and send emails, right? You get the information about anything, anytime you want to know through internet. Right? You can also send videos, pictures, letters, book from one computer to another. All these latest means of communication has brought what? World closer and help to connect people better. और आप लोगों को easily connect कर सकते हैं. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.